severe thunderstorm include Morton and Tremont. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 18 and 31. Interstate 474 between mile markers 10 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 98 and 1. Miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm...
Is this going to be...
So, who did the first...
p.m. Waynesville around 2:45 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Wapella. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 3. Interstate 55 between mile markers 123 and 150. You are listening to...
That should set off my radios.
Severe thunderstorm warning for county until 3:15 p.m. Per hour. Hazards include gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following exciting entries. This severe thunderstorm will be near Stonington around 2:50 p.m. Blue Mount around 2:55 p.m.
No, he...
5 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following. Expect damage to roofs, siding. Thunderstorm will be near Stonington around 2:50 p.m. Blue Mount around 2:55 p.m. Counties in Illinois: Christian, DeWitt, Macon, and Montgomery. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be that
offering.
Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Doubleheader.
National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for northern Virginia, 15 p.m. and 2:45 p.m. A severe thunderstorm.
Holy shit!
Located near Edward for 8 miles north of Sheila Hill, moving north at 40 miles per hour and 2:45 expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicating threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Most will be damaged or destroyed. The following will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Stonington around 2:50.
Can I get them on FM?
The web, television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
That's a trail watch.
This dangerous storm will be near. For rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. sources for the latest severe weather information.
Yeah, that's a nice for a watch.
Warning and advisory is in effect. TXI.
Okay, wow. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Christian County, Central Piatt County, Southeastern DeWitt County until 3:40 p.m. At 3:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Clinton to Niantic, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour located threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Decatur, Clinton, Forsyth, Marilla. Sentence. Argenta into land around 3:15 p.m. Cisco around 3:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Cerro Gordo, Monticello, and Whiteheath.
Double header coming.
This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 127 and 171.
Wait for it. That's a TOR. Alright.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for southern Macon County until 3:30 p.m. At 3:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Blue Mound, or 13 miles southwest of Decatur, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Are indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Decatur and Macon around 3:10 p.m. Mount Zion and Long Creek around 3:15 p.m. Decatur Airport around 3:20 p.m. All objects and flimsy buildings such as ships and temporary shelters. Thunderstorms can produce.
Coming?
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern 3:45 p.m. At 11 thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near the Decatur Airport to near Taylorville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Decatur, Mount Zion, Norwegian, Long Creek. Line extending from near the Decatur Airport to near Taylorville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near.
Your migraines, Chandler. The time if you're...
Yep. Cerro Gordo. 3:20 p.m. Bethany, Lubbock, and Hammond around 3:30 p.m.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be an interesting one.
a tornado warning for southwestern Fayette County, east central Macon County until 4 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Long Creek or near Decatur, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado.
Wow.
A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to windows will occur. It's likely the tornado will be near the center of Gordon around 3:30 p.m.
Jeez, okay.
Thunderstorm warning for northeastern Moultrie County, western Douglas County until 4:15 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Atwood to near Sullivan, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Arthur and Atwood around 3:55 p.m. Osceola and Arcola around 4 p.m. This includes Interstate 57 between mile markers 203 and 215. Southeastern Moultrie County, southeastern Shelby County, Cumberland County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Arcola to near Cowden, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Mattoon, Stewartson, Humboldt, and Cooks Mill around 4:05 p.m. Neoba and Reading around 4:10 p.m. Charleston, Oakland, and Lerner around 4:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Ashmore, Janesville, Toledo, Greenup, and Jewett. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 169 and 201. Interstate 70 between mile markers 106 and 126.
Yep.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Fayette County, northern Marion County, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Chauvenier, or 11 miles south of Vandalia, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source: train spotters reported tree damage near Pittsburgh. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Elmo, Brownstown, Pawtucket, Farina, Chauvenier, Lockleaf, St. Peter, Vernon, St. Paul, Lubuty, and St. James. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois near exit 76. Interstate 57 in Illinois near exit 135. Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fayette County, Marion County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line from near Farina to over Sandoval, or along the line from 17 miles southeast of Vandalia to near Centralia, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include St. Paul, Selmaville, and Blueysky. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between exits 116 and 135. Thunderstorm warning for Jasper County, Clay County, Effingham County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Montrose to Omega. 45 miles per hour. Expected hazard includes 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Louisville, Xenia, Bible Grove, Wheeler, and Hidalgo around 4:50 p.m. Flora and Newton around 4:55 p.m. Sailor Springs and Lakota around 5 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Clay City. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 between mile markers 142 and 165. Interstate 70 between mile markers 84 and 105. Woodlawn, Blueford, Sisney, Jakes, Waltonville, Bonnie, Jeffersonville, Bell Rive, Sims, Keams, and Johnsonville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 87 and 105. Interstate 64 in Illinois between mile markers 63 and 96. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for South Central Illinois.